House cleaning is a necessary chore for most homeowners, but it can be time-consuming and expensive. Many people wonder how much it costs to have their home professionally cleaned. House cleaning is an important task that needs to be done on a regular basis to maintain a healthy and organized living environment. There are numerous factors that can influence the cost of house cleaning services, including the size of the home, the number of rooms, the type of services requested, the frequency of cleanings, and the experience of the service provider. The first and most obvious factor is the size of the property. A larger home will require more time and effort to clean than a smaller one, and therefore the cost of cleaning will increase proportionally. The number of rooms and level of cleanliness desired will also affect the cost. If you require a deep clean, this may take significantly longer than a regular clean, and the cost will reflect this. The frequency of cleaning is also a factor. If you opt for regular weekly or bi-weekly cleans, you may receive a discount compared to a one-off clean. Frequency of cleaning is an important factor to consider when it comes to house cleaning costs. Depending on how often the house is cleaned, the cost of cleaning can vary greatly. For example, if the house is cleaned on a weekly basis, it may cost more than if it is cleaned on a bi-weekly basis. Additionally, some homeowners may opt to have their home cleaned on a monthly basis, which can be more cost-effective. The cost of house cleaning services may vary based on the type of products used and the number of cleaners needed. Finally, if you are hiring a professional house cleaning service, the location and availability of the cleaners will influence the cost. If you live in a rural area, for example, cleaners may charge more due to the additional travel costs. Cleaning can range from a basic clean to a deep, detailed clean. The basic cleaning consists of sweeping, mopping, and dusting the floors and surfaces, wiping down counters, and cleaning the bathrooms. A deep clean may include more in-depth tasks, such as scrubbing the walls and baseboards, washing windows, cleaning out the refrigerator and oven, and polishing the furniture. A deep cleaning is usually more expensive and time-consuming, so it is important to decide how much cleaning is necessary for the home before selecting a cleaning service. Depending on the size of the home and the specific services requested, the cost of these additional services can vary significantly. Now, for example, the cost of window cleaning can range from a few dollars per window to several $100s, while the cost of carpet cleaning can range from a few $100s to a few $1,000s. We can supply you with all the information you need to make an informed decision and get your home or business cleaned. Call us now.